We've got a hugely mixed neighbours really here, aren't we? I don't think we call them neighbours, they're more friends, aren't they? We do get to meet a huge amount of different people, and it's lovely.
We were just wowed by the facilities that were here, everything about the place seemed to meet our needs, and we thought, crikey, this is so nice. We're not going to be able to afford to live here. But we sat down and had a chat with the people here, and it turns out we can.
The team themselves were incredibly welcoming. Everybody is lovely here. Every question we asked was answered. I think it's shared ownership. We didn't know much about it to begin with, did we?
No.
Really. And the bottom line is, if we hadn't been able to utilise shared ownership, we won't be here.
It's a definite benefit in that it's allowed us to be here. We wouldn't have been here without it.
We certainly plan to be living here for as long as we can manage, but we won't have our daughters sort of having a load of hassle. Shared ownership allowed us to hold on to a certain amount of security. It felt we were future-proof.
It's all fell into place really nicely for us, and we're very happy here. We would certainly recommend to friends and relatives to look into shared ownership. It's worked really well for us.